This is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain JDK 15 features. JDK 15 is a latest version. It is introduced on 15th September 2020. JDK 15 features. These all features of JDK 15. Here, four important features are there. First one, sealed classes. Second one, pattern matching for instance of. Third one, text blocks. Fourth one, records. These four features are most important in a Java programming. These features I am going to explain. Sealed classes, it is a preview version, and pattern matching for instance of, it is second preview. Text blocks, it is finalized. Records, it is second preview. So pattern matching for instance of, it is second preview. First preview introduced in JDK 14. Records, it is also second preview. First preview introduced in JDK 14. Now these preview versions are not finalized. In future versions finalized. Text blocks also, it is finalized now. JDK 13 only text block introduced as a first preview. In JDK 14 they given as second preview, now finalized. Like that, these features also in future versions finalized. Now first I'll explain about sealed classes. See, for example, on graphics class, and graphics class inherited, suppose in square class, rectangle class, circle class. So graphics is a one class inherited in square class, rectangle class, and circle class. So graphics is a super class for these three classes. Say graphics class inherited in three classes: square class, rectangle class, circle class. These four set of classes. Suppose one more here. Example, vehicle class. Vehicle class inherited in bike class, something car class, and bus class. Now car is a vehicle, bus is a vehicle, bike is a vehicle. Like this, vehicle features inherited in three classes: bike class, car class, and bus class. Like graphics inherited in three classes: square class, rectangle class, circle class. Here vehicle inherited three classes: bike class, car class, bus class. Now graphics class we should not inherit in bike class. Vehicle class we should not inherit in circle class. So these four set of classes. I want to restrict my graphics class to three classes only: square, rectangle, and circle. If I inherit in any other class, it has to display error. Here also, this vehicle class, I want to restrict three classes: bike class, car class, and bus class. If I insert in any other class, it should show error. That is possible with sealed class concept. See how to do. Then what you can do is here public sealed class graphics permits square comma rectangle comma circle. Like this you can write the class. Here one more class here public sealed class vehicle permits bike car bus. These three classes. So sealed keyword you can use to restrict, but which are the classes you want to restrict? Permits square rectangle circle. So graphics class restricted to these three classes only. Vehicle class restricted to these three classes only. Here sealed and permits we have to write. Then graphics class you cannot insert in other classes. Vehicle class you cannot insert in other classes other than these three. Like this we can restrict. This is a concept of sealed class. Okay, this is about sealed class. Second feature here pattern matching for instance of. You observe here if suppose O instance of string, O instance of string. So O is a reference, it is an instance of string. If you want to write here this O, if it is instance of string, then explicitly we have typecast in previous versions. Now one new concept introduced. You observe, I'll show you. Suppose example here void show object O. For this here I'll create one string object string s equal to new string. Here I'm passing something welcome. Now this s I'll pass as a parameter to this show method. Now demo d equal to new demo d dot show, I'm passing s. Previous versions we written like this. Suppose if O instance of string, suppose I want to convert into uppercase letters, then string something x equal to, we are typecasting O like a string. Now after this what we are doing, string y equal to x dot to uppercase. After this system dot out dot println y. Like this we did previous versions. Now what you can do is, no need to write like this, new way, just here O instance of string yes. If it is yes, directly system dot out dot println yes dot to uppercase you can write. No need to typecast, directly you can write like this. This is a concept of instance of enhancements. Okay, This is second feature. And third feature, text blocks. Suppose if you want to write one HTML program, suppose HTML like body bg color equal to green, text equal to yellow, and level 1 heading, welcome to HTML, level 1 heading close, body close, HTML close. This is as a one string if you want to write in Java. Suppose if you write string s equal to, if you write like this, you will get an error. But new concept, text block, it supports. Then what you can do is, here 3 double quotes you can write, and here again 3 double quotes you can write. This is multi-line string literal. So this is called text block. This is called text block. This is called text block. Now multiple lines we can write as a one string literal by using 3 double quotes in starting point, 3 double quotes in ending point. This is called text block. And fourth one, records. This is one Pojo class we can write just in a one line. See Pojo class. See one example, class employee. In this class, 2 variables, employee number, float, salary. One constructor I am writing, parameterized constructor, employee number, float, salary. Here these two are instance variables, these two are local variables. Whenever both instance variable names and local variable names are same, if you want to access instance variable, we use this keyword. This dot employee number equal to employee number, this dot salary equal to salary. Now suppose I am writing getter methods. Say integer get employee number, here return employee number. Implicitly this keyword present here, and integer get salary, here return salary. Here also implicitly this keyword present. This is a class. It is called on Pojo class. For as compared to Java Bean, Pojo class no restrictions, but Java Bean there are so many restrictions. This is just Pojo class. Now here if you want to inherit, object class, implicitly inherited. If you want to override to string, we can override public string to string. Like this you can override, and here it returns string representation of object data. So you can return employee number plus /t, again plus salary. Now employee number and salary concatenated as a one string and returned here. This is we are calling like a one Pojo class. See Pojo class, this complete Pojo class just we can write in a one line. This complete Pojo class, what you can do is just you can write record employee, integer employee number, float salary. That's it. It is one special kind of class. See, that complete Pojo class now we can write just in a one line. These are the most important features in JDK 15. These features, individual programs also, I prepared separate videos. If you want very depth about each feature, you can watch those videos also in my YouTube channel. Okay.